Ubingelela babudokotela bawesizwe babojabulile ufana omuhle nje ekhehlela umzulu abancinyisi. Bakithi today senza le video lena umhla ka20 November, umhla ka20 December siyavala. We only got 30 days. We only got 30 days ukuthi ibhano eliphahlazeke. This is babudokotela. Babudokotela ke uyinyanga umelaphi ndabuko ngisho uthele building eselibiza ukuthi liNedbank House building lisenkabeni yeTheku. Umgaqo sekona secorner of Queen Street and Albert Street. Njengamanje studio sise 19th floor, 1904 to 1904 studio 1, a dark room la kumnyama khona. Walls are dark. Mic is dark. This is Babu Dokotela. Ake sikhulume lento. I have a topic that says the funeral parlor person. Bakithi asibonge kakhulu. I was so jubilant to see the landing and acceptance and welcoming of the less than 200 Palestinians out of like 1.5 Palestinians. But at least finally sinabo namhlanje endaweni esafety ngoba kunabantu abaningi ngempela kade bethi free Palestinians. Ngifuna ukubona ukuthi bazoba welcome kanjani noma bebe pretend. Ngifuna ukubona bazoba welcome kanjani kodwa siyabonga nje free gift of the givers and other NGOs that we are not allowed to mention their names, the way they accepted them, babathatha udokotela babo-checker yonke into babanika ingane ze-malnutrition because of starvation around the Palestine because of this Holocaust so-called Israel. Oh, those people are apartheid. But that's sad route. Engisho ukuthi siyabonga nje kakhulu. We have to thank government wethu sibonga futhi no president ukuthi akwazi ukuthi angasho ukuthi fill up the plane, give them food and send it back. No, believe you me, if it was in Russia they were not going to be accepted. If they was in Russia they were not, and they know that is why they chartered the flight to South Africa. If it was in Russia they were not, I mean not with an NOT, that kind of note. The Russians are different. That is why some people they love something they don't know. Russians are different. But if it was Australia, they were going to be sent back. Give them food, add water, fill up the petrol, send them back. It's simple as that. There are good amazon ngempela angenabo into ekuthiwa ubuntu. Angenabo. Kodwa siyabonga nje South Africa for what they did. But my question was around this. What about people from South Sudan who were genocided by Sudanese Arabs because of their ethnic differences and creed differences? Sithulile, African Union, global communities, abantu bamnyama. Namhlanje sine South Sudan ephuma ebuvileni bethu, ebugwaleni bethu. Nobuxoki, phixe. Sabona ngathi into ezoke eSudan right. Ngoba yenziwa ama-Arab kubantu abamnyama. But uma ngabelungu begcindezela ama-Arab, that is wrong. Kungcono mekwenziwa kubantu omnyama. Namhlanje eSouth Sudan ephuwa ngendlela eyisimanga. Akaze sibone lama NGOs ethatha abantu ebasaphaza amazwe omhlaba ukuthi basizakala. South Africa as a whole ayikaze isho lutho ngalento enziwa lapha. Ayikaze kube khona even abantu abawutoyitoya kuma high court kuliwa neSudan lento abayenza is a genocide. Ayikaze, because igazi lomuntu omnyama liweak komunye umuntu omnyama. Umuntu omnyama uncamela omunye umuntu omnyama. Ukuba le bhanoyi, believe you me, ukuba le bhanoyi beqhamuke eKenya, bephethe ama-Kenyans, believe me, bakosha ngisho izitolo eGoli. Bekosha ngisho izitolo kuthiwa washawe abahambe, awashawa amashangana awashawa, bekosha izitolo buzobona kahle because they are not Africans, they are Asians. They've got better skin, better hair. They speak better language. We worship their God. Ukuba lela bhanoyi beliqhamuka eTanzania lilenda lapha buzobona kahle wona bebezofaka kuma campsite babuyiselwe emuva ngakusasa. Bekube sekuvale yonke ngeke nje bengeke izenzeke lona kodwa ngoba manje singamaxoki. When I understand, you think this thing is cheap. Arabs, they hate Africans by far. Arabs, they were one of the people after Greece who were practicing what is called eunuchy. Eunuchism came with Greece and Arabs, whereby they were castrating men so that they were able to use them in their places of work ema-mosque kuphi besebenzisa iy'ngane zabafana ey'theniwe. Uthola indoda ithithiza ngendlela eyisimanga kanti ayinamasenda ayinalutho. Ama-Arabs, this is what they were doing. And today, we technically worship them. We hate our brothers and sisters by far. We rather prefer them. Njengamanje laba abantu abafikile abaless than 200 asibazi ama-accommodation akuphi amahotela babebhukhe nini le phone abafona ngayo i-airtime bayithatha barikhe kuphi ama-sim card abo because esingamaxoki. Le nto siyaziveza ukuthi how weak are we. Our spinal cord iyosijaja kodwa umnqamlezwe uyosijaja umnqamlezwe because esikwenza lana it to be persecuted and questioned. Ngoba ngempela we cannot hate ama-Zimbabwean, Malawian, Tanzanian, Mozambican by far because they are Africans. If they were Spanish, Italians, ngabe nje ba-right, even Japanese ngabe ba-right, asingene ema-Chinese swakahlele, asiyenzi leyo nto. Because siyambuluza. Bakithi akube khona into esiyicabangayo. Sinamadoda namhlanje angenamasenda ngenxa yayo lenkolo ye-Islam. Sinamadoda namhlanje angakwazi ukuzala ingane ngenxa yayo lenkolo ye-Islam. I-Islam is not ready to repent and say they apologize for what they did. They are not ready. They are not going to do it. They find it ethical correct to castrate those men. And we are submitting to those religions. And even accepting their people who are poor coming to starve in our country. We take what we've got and give it to them. We use all our resources that are reserved for South Africans. This is what we're talking about. This is what we're talking about. I want to do pretend mina nginayo. Anginayo futhi ngeke ngisebenzele. Yeah, this is what we're talking about. This is what we're talking about. Jakhehla mlungu. Kunento esafuna ke siyibuke lana. Into ezixaka abantu siningi. Abantu bahamba izinyanga, bahamba izangoma, bahamba bathandaze, but kunento obona ukuthi lento akwenele. Kungaba umndiki, kungaba umndawo. Lo hluphe abantu kangaka. Uma unalesa sidalwa lesiyana esingcolileyo, kuyadinga ukuthi umuthi ke awufuni ukuphehla igobongo lapho. Asisigezeke lesa sidalwa. Lesa sidalwa sisigezeke. Sinesidalwa sifuna sisigeze. Nginomuthi ke ngokhandile. Kade ngenza enye ivideo nje ku TikTok ngisho ukuthi ngikhuluma ukugcina ngiphinde ngikhulume lento. Umkezadlozi are some very stupid. Ngibanika abantu ko-1000. There is no way you can get somebody who can do that. There is no way that you can get somebody ongagezela izidalwa zakho nge-1000. Ngikunika ke umkezadlozi noma umhlambadlozi ukuthi ake sihlambe laba bantu. Ake sihlambe laba bantu abahamba namanxeba, basabe laba bantu abahamba bethakatha. Ababuya beze kuthina nenthuthu zelimnyama. Ngikwenzela lonto nge-1000. And then if ubona lokho ngathi wena ku-X ayikho inyanga wenzela lokho lezi izimushela isikhathi sakho nje. Asikuhleleleni ukuthi sikwenzele, asicela ukuthi ukwenze kodwa sithi kodwa lezi zinto lezi zizoloku zikumisile ziyibambile impilo yakho ingayindawo ingaqhubeki ime ndawonye. This is Babu Dotshebo, this is Bojalo Ufana umhlanje Jakhehla umzulu amancesi. Hey bakithi angifuni ukulanda kakhulu namhlanje ngiphuza into ephuzwayo la. Ufuna ukususa la ibhodlela leli. Waze ngiphuza igazi nje. Ngaphuza lento angaphuza kanti ihloboni lento uthi ayifikanga namaPalestinian. Ngaze ngasaphuzeka. Okay, la bakithi ngifuna ke siyikhulume. Lento I'm getting emotional if ngizokhuluma ngalento le. I'm getting emotional because kunabantu empilweni zethu abangabangcwabi. Kunabantu in our orbit, in our circle abangabangcwabi. That we don't know that bangabangcwabi. But labantu uma befika kuthina abatshengise bangabangcwabi. Bathi bayabaza abangcwabi ukuthi bakuphi if ukuthi it happened that you want one. Kunomuntu omsondeza empilweni yakho, usondeze umuntu wesifazane empilweni yakho, usondeze umngane empilweni yakho, a friend. Azabuza unkosikazi uthi cha niyazwana ke noDladla. Uthi hayi into isizwe ngenalutho. Yikanti uDladla ubuka yonke into. udladla ubuka ngisho ifridge, udladla ukwazi ukubuka ngisho into ey'lekwe kulayini ukuthi ama-quality odwa noma yini, udladla ukwazi ukubuka even kade phonsa into kumgqomo nedoda ukuthi kade kudliwani le ekhaya. Kunabangane esinabo empilweni zethu esibalethayo uma befika kuthina bafika namabhokisi omngcwabo, but we don't see amabhokisi omngcwabo, sibona sangathi ukugqoka kwabo kuhle. Kanti kunabantu asebabangcwabile empilweni zabo. Kunomuntu wesifazane othi uma umlethe empilweni yakho abuka azabuke ngisho ifoni oyiphethe athi cha unemali usuphatha nale foni, mina ngagcina uphatha into ukuthi lo muntu wesifazane athi uphatha le foni kanti usukungishutha ngale usukwenza amavidiyo ngale foni, cha yinhle boyifoni yakho. That person uwumngcwabi, baningi asebangcwabile. Uhlangane noSithe emole ethi maduma hamba njani, ngithi ngiright, ubalo hamba naye, ngithi mina uNdlandlo athi wamthatha lo mayisisi uthi athi ngathi ngiyamazi kodwa eyombheke akangitshela ukuthi she's a funeral parlor. Usebangcwabile abantu, usebangcwabile abantu. La engirealize khona ukuthi this person is a funeral parlor, it's whereby ebuza ukuthi njoba usenze umzimba wami ucabangani ngami ngoba umkakho umakhela istairs. Yila inetwork iqala ibuya khona lapho ubhinca ithawula uhleli uncike ngeheadboard kade nise BNB mesethi wedumsana ngicela ngiphe 20,000 bandla njengoba uKhisimusi nje ngifuna ukubona ngenzeni. Hayibusisi ngizoyithatha imali engaka, athi uzoyithatha phi, hayi mhlawumbe usho ukuthi uzokhipha eningiki, asho lapha ebegqoka athi akusho ukuthi uzokhipha eningiki. Uthi yini futhi yini usuyahamba nathi hayi ongeke. Umngcwabi ke loyo is a funeral parlor onaye, is a funeral parlor onaye. Umngani wakho lo sisi njobe ehamba uye police station, straight uye police station, umraper. Kunomngani wakho eneza nayo izinto, emva kwalokho umngani wakho mase seyakufonela athi hey usholozi, uthi usho baba ngihlushwa ile moto yabili ongakwazi umboleka u10,000 lapho. Uthi wena ngeke razo yeyabheda ntanami yabheda ngeke ngomalini ongayizami, malini ongayizami. Uthi ayikho imali engizoyizama. Hawu manje ukwazi ungisiza ngathi mina ngigcina imfihlo zakhe enkulu kangaka. Kunjani lo muntu wamdulayo ngenza ukuthi uyalulama. Umncwabi usiyakungcwaba ke manje. Usiyakungcwaba ke manje. Kunabantu empilweni zethu esesibafaka kakhulu emzimbeni wethu abafaka emaphaketheni kanti ngemuva kunamathuna. Kunamathuna abawangcwabile. Kunamathuna ayenziwe yibona. Othi uma usumtshela umuntu ukuthi hayi leyazi ethekeni yagcina yenze kanje ethi idume kangazi ukutshela le indlela osusondela kakhulu ngayo. Liyatheni ngiyayazi usibani yamazi usibani yamazi ibaqedile amajithe la ethekeni liyana. Naye ke umuntu kunomuntu futhi onjalo owumngane wakho ofika kuwena as a person owumngane kanti umngcwabi. Labantu laba abeza kuthina not knowing ukuthi they are bringing coffins closer to us. Uyothi mase seyiboleka le mali ungasamniki mase ethi manje na lo muntu wamdubulayo uthini ngaye, uyazi manje akulaleki mina ebusuku onginike noma 3,000 ngizama into okugeza ngoba uthi 10,000 awunawo uzobuya unelo. Uyakutshela ukuthi mnike u3,000 azama into okugeza enyangeni. Uma efika enyangeni inyanga izobe sifona ithi ifuna u20,000 lesiboko sizombulala lo muntu osimdedela emabokisweni asho ukuthi wabulala umuntu uhamba naye. Kunabantu ke abangabangcwabi empilweni zethu engicela ukuthi njengamanje siku 2025 those people who are operating funeral parlors empilweni zethu we must leave them so that bazongcwaba abanye. Kunabantu ungaqhubeka nabona namanje kushaya uDecember wena uzobe usune criminal site la uyoshiselwa khona. Wena uzobe usune burial hall sengibiwe nomgodi sekusela ukuthi uphonswe kuphela. Usethi hayi kuleka mina sengiqoqe yonke into ngayo. Sengiqoqe ngifuna ukuthi bekushaya nje lesikhathi bethana simthathe. Wena uzitshela ukuthi lo muntu umuntu wangempela kanti akuyena umuntu wangempela. Lo muntu lona ungumngcwabi. Baningi abantu asebangcwabile. Baningi abantu asebangcwabile uhamba naye nje uyazi ukuthi kodwa mase kushaya isikhathi right I will bury this person and move forward unless that person evuma ukwenza ukuthi. Uma futhi usumnikile lo sisile mali le akusho ukuthi anisathani niyathandana. Athi phela uzozana ungishiye kanjalo because ubhekene nomngcwabi. Kanti ongafuni ukunyala yami. Engisho ukuthi ngifuna ukuthi as from today uzolahlekelwa yikho konke. kuzofa konke, kuzokhrimithwa konke, kuze kuhambe ngisho unkosikazi wakho athi mina baba ngicela ukukuyeka ngoba that I cannot stand for it. Uthi yini? Athi this one I cannot stand for it. Lo mngane wakho ngasho athi ngimdingi la khaya wena uqhubeka na okungcono ukuthatha isiqhuma sokuthi uthi wena uzongikhethela abangani la because umngakho can see ukuthi uhamba nomncwabi kunento eziningi eseyishoda even la endlini ngenxa ukuthi kusizwa lo mngane wakho loya kanti lo mngane wakho lana umba ifosholo uyakungcwaba unkosikazi akazi ukuthi wena ubalekela ukuthi ibhokisi lakho lingaphonswa lapha izinto ozenze naloya muntu it is enough ukuthi angazifaka kule coffin uma izingcwaba zingcwabe nawe. Engisho ukuthi kunabantu ke njengamanje ekufuna sibemukele ukuthi bangama burial kuthina bangama funeral parlors kuthina kufuna sisithichaje kufuna siphume kubona kufuna siphume kubona. This is Babu Dawudela Babu Sesibojalo mfana omhleje kahle umuzo lamancinci. Goodbye.